How much weight is your child carrying in her backpack? If they are over the age of 7 years old, the answer is probably too much. The Tilami rolling backpack is the answer to this issue for your children. It is very large, compact, rolling, can stand very stably, and has multiple pockets for your child's needs. You have 3 pockets. One is a very large pocket. You can fit 4 1-inch binders as well as a laptop. You have a second pocket that can fit any kind of small paper or homework that needs to be given early in the morning. And you have a small pocket for your pencils, pens, everything that you need to reach easily, as well as cards and other needs. The side pockets are very large. The great thing about these side pockets is that for children, they have to carry many things. So you can have your water bottle and an umbrella on one side and an extra pair of shoes on the other side for the children that have sports after school. The back of the backpack has 2 nicely padded shoulder straps in an S form for comfortable hold and can be detached quite easily for easy storage when you want to turn this into a rolling bag. This is to keep the wear and tear when you are putting it at an angle from dragging on the floor. So your backpack will stay nice and clean for a lot longer time. Another thing of note is this armored bottom, which is really, really great for children. As we all know, children love to just kind of drag things around, push them, pull them, run around, and don't care where the backpack is hitting. This will keep your bag usable for a much longer time than other roller backpacks. From here, you'll keep the wear and tear from the bottom, and here you will keep the wear and tear from the outside when they hit other things. The wheels are very large, strong, and quiet. The Easy Glide system makes it much easier for children to carry this backpack around. The last thing is this telescopic handle made of aluminum alloy. You have 3 different height options. 2 different height options. So it's easy for kids of all heights and even for parents to help grab the bag for the children when they need. Chanchoa.